Just short video to show you this Dyson V6 Animal handheld vacuum cleaner. Comes with two brand new tools, the replacement ones. They're not actual Dyson, just the same though. A brand new replacement power supply, the floor head, the wand, and the actual unit. It also has a brand new battery. I can focus in. This is 5000 mAh. It's brand new. I've cleaned it fully. As you see, it's clean. It may have dust in tight places. I've cleaned the filter. I've washed out the head and the bin. The bin, as you can see, is marked, but has two modes. That is economy mode. Press the button in. When it's on blue, that's on boost mode. Economy mode's 20 odd minutes. Boost mode's about 6. Exactly the same as what Dyson is. I'll just put it together quickly to show it working. I'm not going to vacuum up because I don't want to make it dirty. Has slight little marks on it, but it's used and is in full working order, and with the new battery lasts quite a while. Any questions, please ask.